In this video, we're going to show you the customer's overview and customer details pages in the partner service layer. We'll go through how you can use these pages to gain better visibility and insight into each customer's Snow Atlas system. When you sign into the partner service layer, the first page you come to is the customer's overview. The table provides a convenient overview of your managed customers and the customers that have set up your access to their Snow Atlas system. When your access is enabled for a customer, all partner users can view the computers, applications, and SaaS metrics shown for that customer's entitlements. You can also quickly see the state of each customer's Snow Atlas system. For example, using the status column and indicators that you can use to filter this data, you can easily see if any of your customers require assistance. You can also view the entitlements metrics, which show the expiration status of each customer's licenses, if they have upcoming expirations, plus an indication of what products they have. The System Health column shows you how many Snow extenders your customers have. For all the data in the table that appears as links, to get more details for each customer, you can click on these links. To get more details on a customer, your access to that customer system must be enabled, and you must be an authorized user. For more details about a specific customer system, select that customer's name from the list. You can view key metrics for the health and status of the customer's Snow Atlas system using the graphs and tables. If your customer has SAM Core on Snow Atlas, data appears for computers and applications. If your customer has Flexera 1 SaaS management, data appears for SaaS. What appears here depends on which products the customer is entitled to use. In System Health, you can view information on the customer's Snow extenders and use the indicators to filter this data. These aggregated metrics give you an indication of where your customer may require assistance. They are synchronized with your customer's Snow Atlas system on a daily basis. If you want to update the data shown, you can select Sync Data. You'll be notified when the synchronization process is complete. This doesn't collect new data from the customer's environment, but reaggregates the data that has been reported to Snow Atlas. You can also sign into the customer system from here by selecting Sign In. This allows you to assist your customer directly in their Snow Atlas system.